Hello everybody, it's Tayvs and I'm back. Today is the last day of February and I want you to see my city in winter. I'm terribly sorry for not posting videos for so long time. I just was a little bit busy with studying, but I hope that soon I will make more great content for you. And how you can notice, I was making these videos with my brother, and you can meet him during the whole video. And by the way, in my city we have not a lot of snow in winter, and I had only 5 days to make whole material for you. So now you will see the night version of my city in some more nice slow motions. Enjoy! So thank you so much for spending your time for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and click to the like button, and see you in the next video.